Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Reunion with Self, a space where we reconnect with the light within us. My name is Pamela Chioma Belong. I'm your host. Today, I wanted to talk about thoughts and how thoughts create our reality. I always say, and I always set the intention that my voice and my channel should reach those who are ready to step into spiritual adulthood. People who have moved away from victim consciousness to creator consciousness. And one of the first ways to create is with our thoughts, because thoughts create. The first law of the universe is the universe is mental, all is mind. Thoughts come from our mind. And the truth is, our thoughts, sometimes we don't think our thoughts, but thoughts are energies. If your third eye is open, you might see tiny balls of atoms flowing around you. And those are examples of thoughts. Your environment could affect your thoughts. The family you come from may affect your thoughts. If you listen to news all the time, it would affect your thoughts. The books you read, the music you listen to would affect your thoughts. But it's very important to guard our mind jealously and make sure that whatever thoughts are coming into the mind is that of positivity. Because believe it or not, the life we're living is what our subconscious mind believes we deserve. And the subconscious mind is powered by thoughts. I'll give you an example. This past weekend was a very emotional weekend for me. This Mercury retrograde has been emotional. If you follow Western astrology, the retrograde is in the sign of Leo. If you follow sidereal, which is the correct movement of the planets in the night sky, the Mercury retrograde is in Cancer. I combine both. And Cancer is ruled by the moon, very emotional, going within, and things bubbling up to the surface that we may have been hidden and we don't want to look at. And I work part-time as a substitute teacher while I build my hypnotherapy practice on the side. And I had asked my cousin, or rather my sister, because I grew up with her parents, had asked her for help, assistance for this month because school is closed, whatever. And she said some things that really hurt me, and I was sad. I cried. And it was just a very sad thing. But then I was like, wait, Pamela, tell yourself the truth. Before you even picked up your phone to text her or call her to ask for help, you had already implanted in your mind that she wasn't going to help you. So why are you surprised when she said no? That was like my ego being trashed. My ego being told, you're not it. Like, you can't sit here and start playing the victim. You created this reality. You created this reality, so you get what you expect. You're expecting her to give you a hard time. You're expecting her to say no. So why are you acting surprised if she says no? Why are you acting surprised? You created that. And I was like, wow, that is so true. So in this video, I want you guys to sit down and write, what am I creating in my life? what is in my life that I like, and also what is in my life that I don't like, and then trace your belief systems. See how you created both the positive and the negative. Because the universe is neutral. The universe gives you what you believe you deserve. And the mind, the way the mind works, we have the conscious level, which is 12% of the mind power. We have the subconscious level, which is 88% of the human mind. And the conscious and the subconscious mind is linked to the super conscious mind or the cosmic conscious mind, the realm of the universe. And the mind closest to the realm of the universe is the subconscious mind. So if your subconscious mind is full of doubts, if the subconscious mind is full of trash, your life is going to be trash. That's why it's very important to look into your ancestry, look into your childhood, look into what teachers told you growing up, and start eliminating the lies that they told you. Because beneath all that trauma is a powerful light, or rather your higher self, that is waiting for you to reunite with her or with that energy. That is why I changed my channel name to Reunion. Oh, I can't speak. This Mercury retrograde. Yo, how has this Mercury retrograde been for you? Because I cannot speak. But like I said, this is why I changed my channel name to Reunion with Self, because we are disengaged from our light, from the self within, the self that has all the answers. And this is why I'm here to assist us to go back and reunite and come together. And when you come together with yourself, with the light within, with the divine spark within, you start getting genius ideas. Your life starts changing for the better. Yes, there might be negative things that happen because Earth is a school. We come here to learn lessons. But instead of playing the victim when those things happen, you become a creator and you understand things from a higher level of consciousness. So it's very important for you to watch your thoughts. What are you thinking? Okay, are you ruminating in the negativity? Are you watching news 24/7, waiting for doomsday? Because the collective mind is creating the reality that we're seeing in the world. Okay, do you believe that someone that looks like you cannot be successful? Do you believe that there's nothing you can offer? That is BS. That is BS. You have so much to offer because you have part of the divine within you. This morning I woke up to a video of Napoleon Hill talking about the God within. And if you're Christian or you come from a Christian background, you know that Jesus said the kingdom of God lives within you. But the problem is modern day Christians don't even read the Bible or understand the Bible. And if God lives within you, you are a God in human form and you have the power to create. This is why we create both positive and negative. People think creating is only positive. We create both negative and positive based on our thoughts. As the man thinketh, so is he. So you have to be conscious of what you're thinking and what you're creating. And when you become conscious, when you go into meditation and implant your subconscious mind with positive thoughts, with the things that you want to activate in your destiny, and visualize yourself doing it, adding emotions to that in deep meditation, and keep repeating this. Keep saying the affirmations and meditations. Keep repeating it. With time, your external reality starts matching your internal world. So that's all I have for you guys today. Let me know down in the comment section below, Let me know what you think about this video. Well, is it even a video because my face is not here? But very soon I'll start making videos with my face because that's what spirits want me to do. But yeah, please comment, like, share, hit the notification button. Let's share this message and send it out to the world. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.